Hey everyone, Steve here from Learn Online Video, and today I want to show you 20 camera moves that every filmmaker should know. I'm going to show you using this teddy bear. There you have it, 20 camera moves every filmmaker should know. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, give it the old thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more content just like this, you can subscribe. But that's it from me. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.